Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put the x go to the right, y+2, y-1 we put on the left. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, I will add number 2 in here. Later that we need to minus about number 2. This one we need to add number 2. Later that we need to minus number 2. So this one we have negative number 3. Negative number 3. So this one divide by this one and this one divide by this one. So we have 1 minus number 3 over y minus number 2. This one we have 1 minus number 3 over s plus number 2. Or this is number 2, sorry. So we have the final answer. The integration of number 1 we have y. This one we have 3 ln of the absolute value of y plus 2. The next one that is about s minus number 3 ln of the absolute value of s plus 2. And I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to negative number 2, y equals to number 1. So if we look carefully about this one, if we put negative number 2 in here, we have negative infinity. So that means we don't have the value of this one in here. So in this situation, this is about invalid. So we keep the same of this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.